Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Dan's Original Jewelry. This is a subscription box on Cratejoy, and Dan has been creating jewelry for over 39 years, which is super impressive. And each box contains unique handcrafted earrings or necklace, depending on which subscription you choose. So for $8 a month, you can either get 2 pairs of handcrafted earrings, or you can opt for a handcrafted bead ring of the month, or you can do a pendant of the month. And then he does have a $20 subscription where he will do an original handcrafted necklace as well. So he sent me a couple earrings. I'm just going to show them to you so you can see what style of jewelry he makes. He also has some pictures on Cratejoy of some other examples of his jewelry as well. So I will make sure I link all that below so you can check it out. Let's take a look. That's an interesting bead in the middle. That's pretty cool. It's green. It has a little pink flower on it. Very nice. Kind of hard to hold them here so I could show them to you properly. I need a little stand or something. Okay, there we go. That's probably the best way to display them for you. But those are pretty neat looking. I like this little jewel in the middle there because they're different. You know, they're not exactly the same. There's a little uniqueness to each one, front and back. And then, this pair kind of reminds me of Christmas. It's silver. And there's 2, I guess I'll call them pearls, with a little red bead going around it. Kind of reminds me of a snowman, which then reminds me of Christmas. And these are all dangly earrings, varying in length, so these are a little bit shorter than that last pair. And then there's 2 more in this one. Ah, lots of black. I do love, black's my favorite color. So any kind of black jewelry, black stones, I love those. These are really pretty. I like these a lot. So again, it's a little bit shorter. And we have a black stone, and then this one just has a bunch of little diamond-like stones, and you can see through it at certain parts. That's pretty. Those are probably my favorites so far. And then the last pair, these are neat. Triangle, the pearl on the inside, and then a little one up here. And it doesn't have much weight to it, so I don't feel like that would be bothersome to wear either. I used to wear a lot of earrings like this when I was younger. The older I get, the more boring I am, and I just keep studs in typically. But yeah, my mother-in-law, this is the kind of earrings that she wears, and she never buys them from a store. She always goes to like a craft show or some kind of vendor show, and that's where she gets them from. So I know she would think this subscription's awesome. So yeah, these are beautiful. I will have all the information below for Dan's Original Jewelry subscription on Cratejoy, so make sure you check it out. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.